it's Sweet Crafty Designs, and I'm joined by my boyfriend.
How's it going, guys?
Sam the Squamous, and today we're gonna be making these lemon tarts. We're gonna start off the cookies by putting in our softened butter and creaming it. And then we're gonna add in, our powdered sugar. We're going to add in 2 egg whites. And we're gonna add in our whole egg. And these are all at room temperature. We're gonna add in our flour. And since my rubber spatula broke, I'm going to be using my rice spoon. Fold it. Vanilla. Now that our batter is combined, we're going to be scooping my sheet with some butter, and I'm just going to pipe on roughly 2 teaspoons of this. Then place your cookies in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So here I have my egg yolks. I'm gonna beat them slightly in the butter. This is softened butter. Oh boy.
Fixed it.
I fixed
Alright.
it. Add in the lemon juice. Add in the sugar. And the zest. Slowly combining this. On this side I have my water that I'm bringing to a light simmer. So if you have chunks of butter, that's okay, because we're going to put it over our double boiler. Our lemon curd is starting to thicken. I have the finished cookies. Break our cookies. Place them in our food processor to do the work. We're adding water and our sugar in here with a thermometer, and turn on the heat, and we're gonna get this to 243 degrees. And now we're beating our egg whites until they're foamy. Our eggs are foamy, so now we're gonna add in our boiling sugar water. Put this in our...
We're gonna be doing the same thing with the meringue.
So first is the cookie crust.
Put this to the side right over here. I'll put these to the side.
Squeeze. The Italian meringue, the finishing touch. That one's so good! And we're done! This is what the finished product looks like.
I'm out of the video.
Is that really different now,
Side to
right?
side. Sweet Crafty Designs over here. Oh, yeah, it's time. Alright, guys, see ya.